blocks. What's going on, everybody? I'm gonna give it a few more minutes for a few more people to get in. I hope everyone had a great week, great trading week. But how about that Palantir though, guys? Let's get this thing to 100 likes so we can open up the live chat for everybody. We should easily achieve that. Shout out to my boy Dash Hash for the super chat. I really do appreciate that. We started a little bit late here today, guys, but we will get back on the regular schedule, 8:15 a.m. Monday and Fridays. How are we liking SERV? All right, my boy John Tanner. We can check it out. Robos. How we liking those robos? Robotics, guys. Like I said before, look for this sector to continue to run hot here for a little bit longer. We didn't see a major correction here in robotics just yet, like we did the quantum computing space. So expect that to happen as well after the rally. But let's see if we can find us. Let's find us a play real quick, guys. Check this live chat. Coming a YouTube member, very worth it. You heard what John Tanner said, guys. It's very worth it. But SERV, I like what we doing there, man. We really have to actually okay, we got 1947 on the high, but let's check out the bid and ask spread here really quickly for the intraday of today. We currently right now got 887 on the active buy here for SERV, so we should actually still see this thing trend to the upside here. Active buy on that 1948. We got some active vibes here at 1948, so we should actually be crossing that 47 here shortly. But again, we are liking the SERV. Shout out to Haas, Big Haas. Big Haas want to check out BURU. Will it recover? Let's take a brief look. Well, that's our 1947, right? But BURU. What it's looking like right now, looks like it might bounce off that 37 cent and recover here back towards 41 cent earlier this week. RNAZ. Getting this out for those that's in the Discord. All right, we look for a $9.10 PT here in RNAZ. Let's see what else we got brewing here. What's going on with QSI? I see nice bid volume coming in QBTS right now. Anybody still holding QBTS? Let me know in the live chat below. PT, this is 55 cents. Yeah, it can recover back towards 55 cents, but we do have to cross certain thresholds before we can actually foresee something like that. Haas, big Haas. And again, shout out to my boy Dash Hash for the super chat. Guys, we got 87 current viewers and only 85 likes. We just need 100 likes to open up that live chat. But as far as QBTS goes, it looks like it should ride that upper for a bit here on the 3, 5. It's clearly doing that. 15. It has been doing it each and every close. Inflow from yesterday. Honestly, I don't know why it's charging like this right now. What's the news? No news. We should be seeing those $7 levels here in QBTS on the day, right around 7:30. We should actually challenge this upper here today at that 7:31. Well, not upper, mid. Cross that mid, and it's likely to happen. We getting a wide range of trade right now in RNAZ. 910. We hit the 910 pretty quickly, huh? Not quickly, but we blew through it. And all right, new PT on the way. RNAZ. PT cent. 939 plus. $939 plus. I repeat, $939 plus. Guys, we got ALUR is charging really high right now, but RGTI, that mid, now we comfortably crossed this mid, guys. That's very bullish. This is something that we needed to actually see here for its next leg up. Next leg up should be around $24. I don't think we're going to see a jump like that in just one given day, but I'm just looking at these alerts, guys. BLBX is also. Keep our eyes out on this one. Let's check the live chat here really quickly. What's your thoughts on RGTI revisit? Yo, Ave. My boy Ave. Well, I just checked it. I'm pretty sure I probably answered that question on the RGTI. We got only 49 likes away from opening up that live chat, guys. So if it's any tickers that you want me to review, don't forget to smash that like button. We're getting closer and closer. I don't know. We are flying high. All right, we smashed through the 939. I'm going to consider partial profits here, ladies and gentlemen. On the RNAZE, partial profits should be to your standards. PT smashed. Consider partial profits. I like me personally, I like a 80% of position at this point. And I'm gonna let the left ride position. New PT. New Okay, so we're gonna set a new one here. We got 20% left of our position. Where will we set this one at? I'm gonna set it at 990. And the stop loss here. Oh, did we just halt? I think we did. Yeah, that's a halt. Yep, circuit breaker. A halt to the downside. Let's check this spread so we can see. Yeah, the active sale just picked up. Huge. So it's over 110,000 above 110,000 above the active buy. The active sale currently is, which means this thing got a great chance to actually unhalt to the downside here. Currently, the mid is at $8. Yeah, so if we do unhalt, let's go check. We're at 815 on the price. Okay, guys. Right now, 15 looks clear, but the active sale at 16 is pretty darn high. 17 pretty. Yeah, it's more than likely we might see an unhalt to the downside on this one. But I don't think the momentum is gone. That's why that 20% is still lingering. But SCRV, on the other hand, we just broke that dub club, guys. Again. John Tanner, how I'm liking SCRV. Haha. Loving it. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. If you're new to the live stream, we just need 100 likes here in today's video in order to open this thing up for everyone to comment and ask questions about tickers that you need me to review. PDYNPT, Big House, I am on it. That's a strong bounce. We still have a gap, though. This would be my buy range here. But honestly, I think it's looking like we should actually break that 1186 high that was set here on Wednesday. Thursday. I think we should break Thursday high here. It looks, just looking at how these orders are flying in, those bid orders. I think we're going to break those $11 levels here before we actually see a correction back towards that gap fill needed in PDYN. Let's recommend it. Okay. All right, we got a $2.12 price target here for KOPN. Which ones are the best AI stocks following Trump's $500 billion investments across the AI sector? I give you Palantir. I think Palantir is going to be the #1 go-to for many reasons. As far as Trump administration and his agenda. So, yeah, some of that money should fall towards Palantir way on that that $500 billion announcement. But with that being said, they have contracts. They're gonna get the government contracts as well. So, but SERV, yeah, let's check out that mid Bollinger Bounds. Upper currently sits here at 21.98. It's looking like this thing may actually see $22 levels here this week, pretty darn early. If we continue to see the robotics sector move in the direction that it has been, and especially with the momentum that it has been moving with, guys. So with that being said, like I said before, don't sleep on the robotics sector. We haven't seen our major correction yet. ARBE Robotics, right? Okay, so this might be headed towards $3.30 early this week. Putting an alert out on this thing. We're looking for that at least a 10% gainer swing trade on this, guys. A easy swinger for all you swingers out there. No pun intended. But let's alert this thing. $3.33 plus price target. Swing trade. We've got our popping up. Let's check out the related stocks as a whole. Right now, robotics is 18 out of 29. 18 to 29 in favoring downers. Hey, my man Dan Randall says KOPN, $22 billion contract. Confirmed, legit. He believes 100x is ahead. Again, guys, if you're new to the live stream, don't forget to smash that like button. It really does help the channel grow. Not only that, we're going to open up the live chat once we get that 100 likes. Not only that, guys, it forces YouTube into recommending this live stream to new viewers. And we're trying to reach that 50,000 subscriber goal by the end of February, which I do believe we will actually achieve much before the end of February. Thanks to you guys, of course, the likes, the comments. You guys continue to check in on these live streams. I really do appreciate that. And again, shout out to my man's Dan for the super chat. The super light chat. Yeah, I really do appreciate that one, man. Let's check out KITT. Look for RR to actually cross those $4 levels here as well pretty darn soon this week. KITT struggling here. Actually, yesterday's volume 925. No, this was Wednesday. Thursday 643, 761, 8. So we do see a small trickle and volume drop. 302. Okay. Yeah, honestly, KITT has a huge range from its actual resistance levels here. Honestly, I think this thing is finding itself in the bottom consolidation state. But if the robotics sector continue to stay hot, this should actually see a turnaround here. One of the late bloomers effect here. RR is still 375 right there on RR. Just got this coming alerts. NVDA. Nice mid Bollinger bounce here. This thing should actually be headed towards those $3.82 levels here off that bounce. Anybody currently holding this thing? KULR, I got you, see it. We'll check it out. For this thing to actually get really bullish here on the day, I got to break that $2.72 levels, which we did actually hit a high on here on Thursday, and just retraced pretty darn harshly after that. But it doesn't look like that is likely to happen here if we don't see an uptick in volume, because that's really been the struggle here in KULR since its retracement has been a consistent low volume here. NVDA is still moving. I like what I'm seeing there right now. This is up. I forgot what we was looking for on there. Oh yeah, looking for $3.33 on that. This thing is just moving right now. Yeah. Just 38 likes away from opening up that live chat, guys. If you're new to the live stream, don't forget to leave a like on this video. We just need 100 likes to open up that live chat. And this should be headed towards those 446s. For those holding, 446 here, new PT. CYCC. Mid Bollinger cross here. That looks very, very strong here. Range of trade. Ooh, turnover was 220, 271 right now. Upper 45 cent. If this thing get a volume rush, guys, this could be hit towards those 45 cent levels here on the day alone. So for those that's currently holding that, take that in mind. HOLO right now. Looks like it has broken out its bottom consolidation if it can actually cross that 188 here today. Keep your eyes out on that for all you HOLO shareholders out there. 188 break. This thing will find itself out of its bottom consolidation. Now we see NVST is also seeing a charge here. $15 looks very overbought, strongly overbought, but we're seeing nice bid volume rolling MVST here currently on the day's trading, so it's likely to continue here for a bit. Okay, that is 1233 on the high. Yeah, we should actually set another high here on the day for QUBT, but the real thing is, will we see a multi-day running situation happen here in the quantum computing space is what has me very interested and glued to my seat here for tomorrow's trading. Because if we do see a continuation here across the board, we may actually be making our next leg up here in the sector. What else we got here? XCIA maybe actually on its short-term turnaround here. This looks like it's trying to hold above that mid, and there it goes. If you can hold above this mid around that $7.63, this thing should actually challenge this upper here pretty soon around that $9 levels, guys. I know that it's a wide range of trade, but the way these bid orders is flying in currently, looks like this thing may actually make its next leg up and another high here on the day. For those that's currently holding EVAX, let me know in the live chat. ACHR, let's take a brief look. We about 35 likes away, guys, just from opening up that live chat. Don't forget to leave a like here on the live stream. Yeah, did we? Okay, I want to see this thing actually break that 1023, not 1023. Sorry about that. No, it is 1023. If we can actually break and hold this 1023, we may actually ride this upper here, which currently sits at that 1036. ACHR, though, on the other hand, if we take a brief look and check out the day chart, that mid Bollinger break through to the upside is very, very bullish, and we actually broke the last one at that 1005. So be looking for this thing to actually revisit those $11 levels here early next week. ACHR. And we're seeing the markets do pretty darn bad here overall today. How about Palantir? So my calls here this morning. We may buy some more or hedge our position here heading into earnings. But I don't think that'd be a great idea. I think hedging the position will honestly be just a waste. Major drop here. What was the news? An offering? Does look like an offering drop. Yep. An offering drop. EVAX. Look for RGTI to actually cross those $16 levels here on the day, guys. Here pretty darn soon. This thing is back moving and rolling, guys. NVDA. There go the XTIA breakout. Look for this to actually hit $5.40 here on the day here pretty soon, here shortly. That's the PT. We're drinking on some vanilla mixed with caramel coffee, guys. out my badass coffee mug. Well, that's what the coffee mug says, guys. Boom, 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 boom. We almost had our 212 price target. I kind of knew we was gonna hit the 212 here on the day. For those that don't know, 212 is the Big O's birthday, February 12th, guys, which is just right around the corner. There we go. Me and Abraham Lincoln share the same birthday, guys, so I cannot tell a lie. Did you know that the quantum sector? Yes, Haas, it's gonna recover. It's gonna recover. For sure, it's gonna recover. I don't think quantum computing is close to being over with. These things trade in cycles. When you're seeing a industry pool, just like AI. It all falls under the same umbrella. WIMI, let's talk about it. You see that wick? I like the bid volume. Bid volume's looking very, very healthy. 34 likes away from opening up that. You know what? I'm tired of saying this shit. Let's just open this thing up for the subs. For the subs. Just because you guys stuck around so long. Lay it on me. My boy Starter. Please check out LAES. I'm currently my boy. He up 20%. OPTT done for. We're gonna take a brief look and check out that Joe. Shout out to Dave. Dave want to check out LAES. I got you, Dave. Illinois up the dub. Thanks for the heads up on the RGTI. Anytime, DJ. Anytime. What you think of HOVR? I got you, Kate. We're going to take a brief look and check out that. Any chance you have an end of the week for XTIA? Joe. Jay wants me to really get down to the nitty gritty, huh? Shout out to my boy Jay. Jay's in the building. All right, first things first. We're finna knock Dave out. Knock his LAES out. What I like about it. Okay, so we've been trading day for not long. We are already at over 11 million here so far. So it is a nice high volume trading day for sure. We did get some news here. That's why the volume is where it's at, huh? Huge jump thanks to the uptick in volume, though. And a gap here at that 63.31 on the low end. Honestly, we need to see this thing actually cross those 460 levels here, $4.60 levels here, before this thing actually can call itself in a turnaround situation. But right now it seems as though that LAES is in a bottom consolidation. If it can't break that range of trade of 460 on the high end, low end here today came in 415. Low end is 395. If it should stay in between that range. If it break out either side to the up or to the downside, if it's break down to the downside, this thing can get very, very ugly. But to the upside, it should be challenging that mid at that 594. And all it has to do is break that 395. No, sorry, 460 high. Yeah. But the volume is looking incredible here so far, though. Shout out to Dave. OPTT. Oh, that mid cross to the mid to the downside isn't good at all. $4.16 outcoming. Very low volume trading day. Very low. This thing has a low resistance for currently right now. Honestly, I think we should actually cross that mid here on OPTT back to the upside here as early as tomorrow. It's currently at 92 cents. Even though that we did cross that mid Bollinger to the downside here, seems as though that we're in a slight consolidation state, which can point to an immediate turnaround here pretty soon. So OPTT, nothing, anything. It hasn't found itself in a concerned state just yet, or anything for an early warning signal. Thoughts on RG on the warrants? Stunner, want to check out the warrants? Or are you just talking about RGTI? Let me know. But HOVR, shout out to Caper. $0.87. It's a wall at 87 cents here in HOVR, but HOVR has dropped drastically in average daily trading volume. Just a huge drop. All right. It seems as though that far as the aerospace stocks, a lot of people, retail investors in particular, has given up on HOVR. We haven't been seeing any wide range of trade. Not only that, the volume is getting lower and lower by the day. This is in a early warning signal for sure. End of the week for the XTIA. Address. End of the week, 602. I think we can see a whole dollar increase here by the end of the week here in XTIA if market conditions calls for it. Right now we're seeing, honestly, we're seeing a short cover, slight short cover in favorment right now of 170,000 on that extra large scales added by the large. So we're seeing a slight cover situation here in XTIA. If we do see some news rolling here, things might get a little bit more bullish, but anything can happen when those news releases take place. Right now, RR, like I said before, we should be actually heading towards this upper here at that $4.21 levels here early this week, and back to you damn right, Lee is doing great. Jay want to check out Mara. Nah, okay, we broke that 284 wall here. Profit ratio 87%, not high at all. Currently have resistance here at $22. Honestly, when is earnings here? Okay, we got a little bit more. We got a while to go before our earnings report here in MARA, but at the same time, I think this thing is headed towards the $22 price target here by the end of the week. And honestly, we may actually see a pre-earnings rally here start to pick up. But other than that, yeah, this thing should actually be headed towards $22 here. If we go to the 15-minute chart, right now, active sale is slightly outweighing it, only about 60,000. Seems like things are starting to slow down here in the market. Anybody holding the REKR? Recore Systems. And don't forget to join our Discord server, guys. The sign up link is in the description below. And let's check out TNXP. That mid Bollinger cross is very, very strong, guys, for many, many reasons. It's currently riding this upper. I got a 44-cent price target here on TNXP, which we should actually reach and breach here on the day. I got you, bro, on the QBTS. Yes, I got you on the Qs. But again, though, quantum computing, right now that upper is at the $13 levels. We should actually be crossing this mid Bollinger Band here on QUBT here before Wednesday. If that's likely to happen, we should find ourselves back in the trading ranges, between $16 and $20 here for the remainder of the week. But I do feel as though that we're going to be crossing that mid here by as early as Wednesday. And far as QBTS goes, we have to break that 7-11 here, because we do have a major wall at $7.11, and right now profit ratio is only 67% with a degree overlap slightly under that of 61. So this thing does have more room to run to the upside. Here, more room to the upside here on the day. Shout out to Gray for just joining the Discord. LITM has dropped an offer in here today. Is the reason why that thing is down. They made an offer in here at $1, I believe. But it still is up overall from that 82 cent from the rally. I think this thing should be filling its gap here. Start to feel some of this gap here early here during tomorrow's trading, if not today's aftermarket. So a nice swing trade opportunity for those that's looking at LITM. LTBR just crossed that mid Bollinger Band. This thing should get actually bullish here from here back towards those $10 levels here. Anytime, bro. LAES, got you, JJ. For whatever we do. Starting to see some downwards pressure. Starting to see a lot of ask orders coming into play. Slightly under the market price, which is putting downwards pressure here currently on LAES here. But end of the week, though, I think it's feels as though that this stock should actually be around those $5.80 to $6.40 levels here. Going back to the day chart here, we do need to find ourselves at this bottom consolidation state. I do feel as though that this is going to be a very, very, very short-term bottom consolidation here for LAES. Again, shout out to my boy JJ. KOPN next week. That's that easy money, Mysterio. The easy money RGTI call option video will drop. Man, we here now. Forget that. But LAES, yeah, this thing's finding itself on the bottom consolidation, but where we at today, the 24th. We'll put this thing after PLTR earnings. Give you these RGTIs. My boy Stunner want to check out the warrants. I got you right after this, Stunner. I got you. KOPN next week. It's all line. This thing on my 10 and dip at the time. What's up with these guys? They hating this guys. They rising all the time. All right. This is what you want. $20 strike here on RGTI for the expiration of February 2nd. February 7th. I repeat, strike price. $20 strike price. Currently, right now, it's going for $1.01 right now. But again, strike is $20. Expiration is February 7th. Let's say we're going to use our price calculator, which is a huge advantage tool that Moomoo has over a lot of other trading platforms. But I like to use this thing so I can get a better insight on what I'm facing here. So let's say we see $8. Not $8, $18 by the 31st. We just see a 21% gain. Currently, right now, we sitting at $15 price target. So we actually cutting ourselves short. I honestly do think we should actually see levels around $24 by the end. So we see the $24 by the 2nd of February. Well, that's a 346% return there. We'll see $24 by expiration. That's $281 return. 281% return there at that point. $22 would land at 138% return. Let's check out KOPN end of the week, though. I think we might see some retracement actually take place here. Because I don't think we're going to try and close much above this upper here consistently. So I'm expecting retracement here pretty soon. Sub $1.80 levels here. That would be a great buy zone. Currently, right now, we got a gap ranging from $1.70, $1.57 upwards to $1.71. I don't think we're going to feel that here on this correction. This right here, bottom. Nah, honestly, we got resistance here at $68. I'm just waiting for them to announce. I'm waiting for them to announce they increased their stake into SpaceX. I do feel as though that is going to be the next major announcement we get here in DXYZ. As you all know, with Donald Trump becoming the president and Elon Musk and his SpaceX, I do feel as though that's going to turbocharge what's going on over there in SpaceX, which can only benefit DXYZ shareholders at the end of the day. I do feel as though that this stock is headed towards a $80 price target here before the end of February. DXYZ is in a great position. And with the new rocket man, Elon Musk, shooting off rockets at the rate that he's firing these things off, North Korea doesn't have anything on this guy. So a lot of catalysts here for DXYZ in the year 225 for sure. Now let's see. As far as that $100 price target, $100 here by the end of the month. Come on, man. Unless this thing sees a major jump in price on one trading day alone, no, we're not hitting $100 by the end of the month. You got to look at the biggest trading days on these things. 63%, 30%, so 63%. Let's see a week. Biggest trading week saw 63%. 223% was this week, though. Nah, I don't think we're going to see one of those weeks. 200. Nah, we need some catalysts. If they announce that they made a bigger stake into SpaceX, I believe that something like that type of news will most definitely carry it to $100 here, but we actually crossed $7 here in QBTS here. All right, though, guys, we have done this is the time for us now. Our live stream ends. But with that being said, guys, be looking out for other updates